Today I'm going to be making an old-fashioned style chocolate chip cookie, so let's get on with the ingredients. 1 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, that's just regular white sugar, half a cup of vegetable shortening, a half a cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of rainbow chocolate chips, a half a cup of packed brown sugar, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. So for our first step, I'm going to get in our white sugar, that's just granulated sugar, our nice butter, and our vegetable shortening. And at this point, the first thing that I want to do is I want to cream all of these ingredients together. So I want to incorporate the fats and the sugar together. Then our brown sugar. And whenever you're measuring out brown sugar, you want to pack it into your measuring cup. And we'll get that in next. I've got my salt and my vanilla. I'll start mixing that together. Okay, that's good. We'll get our egg in next. So 1 egg. Mix that in. You can see by adding the egg, it really helps with the creaming process because it's loosening up the whole mixture here. That's good. I'll grab a sieve. We'll get in all of our flour and our little bit of baking soda and just shake that in there and then mix that in as well. Super easy recipe. So I do have my oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And our last ingredient are rainbow chocolate chips. So just mix until well combined. Okay, that's perfect. I'll go get my pan and I'll be back in 1 second. Okay, I've got myself a medium-sized ice cream scoop. I'm just gonna make little balls and get that right onto my tray. My oven is set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Just gonna get those like that. These are great for kids. Kids really like the rainbow colored chocolate chips. Give enough room for your cookies to expand. So I'll whip through these and I'll be back in a second. And that's perfect, just like that. So I'm going to pop these into my oven. I'll tell you exactly how long I bake them when I get back. And here are my last ones. And what I did with these is I took them out at the 10-minute mark, dropped on a few more of the rainbow chocolate chips, and then I put them back in the oven for an extra 2 minutes. All of these cookies were done at 12 minutes at that 375 degree setting. 8 to 9, 30, 31 cookies. There we go. So I'll break into one. Now these were done all at 12 minutes, but you can still see these ones here are cool. But you can see, still nice and chewy on the inside. Really good. So that's it for this recipe. So that's it for today. I'll see you next time.